Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, so if you're interested in trying to find work in America, this is the place to be. I'm going to show you exactly how to create your profile on Farm for USA so we can get you there faster. Let's get to it. So, first things first, we're going to go ahead and open up Google and we're going to type in Farm for USA. After that, you will get to this page. Now, this is our website and this is USA Farm Labor, which is the company we work through in America. So, when you get started, you need to go through Farm for USA to get your profile, to be able to open it up in USA Farm Labor. And then when that happens, you have a few agents that will help you through the entire process of screening, references, marketing, flights, visa department, and etc. So go ahead and click on Farm for USA for me, and it will take you to this page right here. Now, take a look at what we have to offer and what we have here and read through it and see what you can find. There's a lot of useful information. So look at the YouTube videos and trying to find our social media and TikTok page that will give you useful information throughout the year. But for registrations, we're going to go down here where it says apply now. We're going to click on it. You'll get to this page. Now, here you're going to fill everything in for me: your criminal record, your full name, surname, email, phone number, gender, ID number, birth date, nationality, current career, are you a smoker, emails, employers, and your self-assessment with unpacking skills. So as soon as you've answered all of this, you can go ahead and say submit at the very bottom of the page. Now, you do not need farm experience to be able to do this. You can have boiler making, welding, woodwork, steelwork, plumbing. You can be good at farming crops like fruits and vegetables, and we are mostly looking for operators with tractors, combines, skid steers, front-end loaders, excavators, and etc. That's what the farmers want to see, and that will help you, if you have that license, to get over to America faster. If you don't have a license, don't worry, just still mention it. If you have the experience, that is what we're looking for. Okay, so after you said submit, I'm going to show you how it's going to look like when you receive it. Now, it might take the system 24 hours or longer before you can receive an email saying this is your username and your password. You can go ahead and log into USA Farm Labor profile. This is how it looks like. For me, I've received this in 2018. This is when I started my profile in Farm for USA. And I've been going to America for the last 6 years. And I'll tell you, I am really happy with Farm for USA, and that's one of the reasons why I joined them. So you'll have it here, welcome to USA Farm Labor, read through this, and here you have your username and your password. Of course, you won't be able to see mine because I don't want you to log into my profile. But this is mine. You will receive this via email, and then from there you can go ahead and log into usafarmlabor.com. And if you do not receive this email, you can go ahead and just contact us on registration. And then you go to screening. We're going to look at all your profile and see if everything is completed. After it's completed and everything is 100%, you'll go to marketing. And then we start looking at what you can do and what you can't do and start marketing at the farmers that look specifically for truck drivers or forklift operators or potato plants or combine drivers and stuff like that. So this is where you will be in marketing. If you're there, it's usually just a waiting game because it took me 6 months to be able to get over to America with my profile, and I have almost next to nothing experience, but I went out of my way to learn more equipment and did some courses on how to drive a truck and their trucks, the left-hand drive and everything else. And then when you have a farmer that's interested, you'll see it on your profile. You can find the job offers on my YouTube page to see where you can look at it at your profile. But as soon as the farmer contacts us, you're going to have a meeting, you're going to have a phone interview, and as soon as you're done with that, we'll be able to send you to visa. And this is where my department is. I'll help you through the DH-160, how to pay your visa, and how to go to the consulate and what paperwork you need to be able to do this. After you're done with the visa and have your physical visa in your hand, then you go to flights and insurance, which also we do. We contact the farmer and say, okay, these are the options, the cheaper options and the expensive options, and see which one he's happy with and how fast he wants you to get there. And the insurance as well. Please, guys, take insurance. It does help. We have guys that didn't take insurance that think they're going to make some money when they're in America first, but as soon as they have landed, they got into a car crash and they weren't insured. So it's crucial to have insurance before you fly over to America, and it's just so much faster if you do it through us. If you don't receive an email back because there's so many emails we receive in one day, you can just go ahead and contact head office by calling 082-735-2433 right here, and then the people at head office will help you out. And that's about it. If you have any other questions, you have the emails, you have the contact details, you can contact us and we'll help you out as soon as possible. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.